Bring her down.
Honestly, now we can just do the other side.
Oh my.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we're on the way to the shop and the visibility is low. So hopefully we can make it there. And if you hear the clunks in the back, no you don't. Should we run the red light for content?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, fuck it. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Alright. Legend. The bench. So we're back in the shop.
What are we doing today?
Right now, we're gonna pull the diff to weld it. I'm gonna keep as much interior as I can. We're gonna pull the diff. So first thing we need to do is get the car jacked up. Let's get to work. And by that, go get the jack. Here, let's do a time lapse of jacking the car up. I don't know how to do time lapse. I hear crunching.
Go on.
Dude, I hear crunching.
Keep going.
I am going.
Keep going. Keep going.
What is that noise?
Bring her down.
Honestly, now we can just do the other side.
Oh my. What the fuck are you doing?
Dude, I thought the jack crunched. Dude, it wasn't as tight as I thought it was. Alright, so we got that side, the driver's side jacked up, and now we're gonna jack up the passenger. We got the passenger side jacked up, and now we're gonna jack up the driver's side. But a little crunch here with the space. So try and get the back over here. Alright, you might need to hold the rear end of this car up with your hand. Over here. Okay, I got it. Alright.
That's safe. That's very safe.
Alright, we got the car up in the air. Always a good thing to check your wheels when you got the car up in the air, okay? Check for play. Should be pretty good there. Good. Whoa! There's a cat on the ground.
That was the fucking cringiest thing I ever watched.
A little play in the steering rack, you know, that's typical. Did your rings go off? Alright, yeah, we're good. Sweet.
Go on. Go
Okay,
on.
so now, all we have to do, pop out the diff. You have anything to add? Alright.
No.
Okay, you get working. I'm not paying you nothing for free.
What?
So, this fucking creeper, dude, I'm gonna fucking throw it in the garbage. Initial impressions underneath the car. I'm not very comfortable from what I see by the jack points. There's not too much rust under here. Let's see. How's it looking back? It's really not horrible under here.
It's not good.
It's not good.
But it's not bad. There's been worse.
Anyways, this is what we're gonna take off today. So Let's see, we're probably gonna need to pop sway bar, axles, drive shaft, what else? Probably sneak it past this subframe.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah, I think it shouldn't be too bad at all. Some mounts. On E46s, generally you want to check to see if your chassis is torn up by these subframe mounts over here. Up there is where you want to check for cracks by the mounts here, which I don't see any. I don't see any cracks up there. Let's see. Over here. Oh, if I can. Oh, am I having an issue with my fucking dumbass creeper? Right, where's the other mount? That one looks pretty good. Let's see. I don't know. I'll check the other one later. I can't really see it right now, but either way, I don't see any cracks, but I see a lot of rust. I see a lot of crust. So we'll get this diff out and we'll get back to you. You know, maybe we shouldn't have got such a rusty car. Maybe that wasn't the move. Okay. Let's see if we can get the first nut. Oh. Alright. Come on, Bessie. Don't let me down. Oh my God, what is going on? Oh. Yeah. Oh, she's coming. She's not coming no more. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's getting loose. Yeah. That's what we like to fucking see, baby. The first nut took, what, 25 minutes? We're making progress now.
There not be a bolt on the other side.
That's what I can't see. I'm trying to see, like, why is there a million fucking tools over here? I can't see. I cannot see.
Can you feel?
No, I have big glovies. Oh, this is fun. I'm gonna lose it. Talking. Okay. So, first thing we did, or first thing you have to do if you want to diff out of the E46 330, I don't know if it's the same for all the other models, but you're gonna start off, each axle, there's 6 E-Torx, E12s bolts here. They're not very tight, but you're gonna have to either have somebody hold the wheels, or you can jam something in between the caliper and the rotor to stop it from turning while you break them free. And then this should just pop loose. If they're seized, you can just give it a tap or, you know, a wiggle or maybe pry it off.
They're very easy to get out.
Which this car is very rusty, and they weren't even seized. So I don't know if they were taken off recently or what. But that's what we started out with. And now, next we'll probably take out these drive shaft bolts up here. Then those look like well, yeah, those are E12s as well. Looks like. And then after that, we'll see what else we need to take off to slide the diff out. Okay, so there's, what was that, 6 more E12 Torxes in the drive shaft, the front of the diff here, and then right now we're going to remove this brace. And to do this, we're going to remove this little shield here, heat shield looking thing. So we'll get back when that stuff is off. Fuck. Are we good?
It's got to focus. There we go.
All right. So we got the big brace off and that heat shield that I was talking about over there. And now we're gonna pry the drive shaft out. There's little indents in here where you can pry out. So we're gonna do that, and then I think it should be ready to come out. We might run into issues with this sway bar back here, but hopefully not. And definitely should replace these bushings and probably even weld in some reinforcement plates. But I don't think we're gonna be doing any of that. So there's indents here where you're gonna pry the drive shaft out of its seat. They're on both sides here. And so you're gonna wanna pry and spin. And then pry. And if you could see it popping out a little bit.
Don't have the best view, unfortunately.
It's really close, you see that? All right, it's out. So drive shaft is free. Axles are free. Now what we need to do is the actual mount, diff mounts, which these two here, and then I believe
there's one more
at the back here. So we'll come back when those are out. All right, so we got all the diff mounts out, and it's one big John right here, huge John, absolutely ginormous John. It's over there, and then there's two here, which the case of the diff has threads in it. So these, what were they, 19s? Two easy 19s right here, or 18s. And then you're gonna have to have a wrench on one side of the nut. And then there's a big Johnny bolt right here, huge mother. Sway bar's in the way here. So what we're gonna try and do is disconnect the sway bar link mount from each arm. And then we're gonna try and rotate the sway bar up until this spare tire well here. And see if that gives us enough clearance to drop this thing. But we're almost there. We're almost there.
Yeah.
Okay. Got the diff out successfully. We had it recorded when we were actually pulling it out, but someone behind the camera forgot to actually hit record. So we don't have that on tape.
You fucking blame me for this twice
basically, we did everything we showed you. Loosened up the sway bar links on each arm, and then we bent the sway bar. We didn't have to remove the sway bar all the way, but we loosened it up and bent it down, and that gave us enough clearance to pull the diff all the way out. So diff's out. Tomorrow we're gonna crack it, drain it, clean it out, and then weld it. And we'll record that process, or as much of that process as we can. And then we'll get it back in the car, and we'll be ripping, hopefully.
You seem really frustrated about things.
Fine, no, we're good.
It's not a big smile on your face. You should be excited about this.
I'm happy.
Are you feeling this is a mistake?
No, this is good.
Working on the first things?
This is good. Look, we have a tool holder right here. All right, well, we'll see you tomorrow when we get cracking on the diff. And then we'll just cut into the next segment. That made it a lot bigger.
Oh no!
That's fine. Cut this shit. Cut this shit. Should probably actually not do this. There she is.
So what'd you forget?
get the stripper on out. Oh. She's gonna stink. Okay.
We're a little tilt. Oh yeah.
Nice. That smells really good. Make sure that screwdriver gets fully submerged down there. You want to lift up the thingy so it doesn't. Dude, look, buddy.
Why did you put it like that? Alright. Careful.
Careful. On job. Alright. A little glittery. You'll get that on those big jobs. Mm-hmm.
Nothing serious.
Mm-hmm. 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 La 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 la. Mm-hmm. When it's cracked, she's gonna spit a little, I think. Gonna put this little John Bond.
You need to move the diff forward more.
Mm-hmm.
Before you actually crack it. There you go. That's good enough.
Yes, sire. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh. There she is. I don't have any hands.
Oh fuck.
All my hands are gone. Fucking A. Alright. Not too bad.
Looks pretty good. Ham and Swiss, you said?
Dude, they're not gonna let me in. Dude! What is that? Oh my god! What is that? Why didn't you record her?
What?
What a stupid fucking bitch.
Where you go for it? Now you're good.
Is the gas on? Well, it's a welded diff now. Dude, come on, dude. Fuck! Dude.
You are struggling right now.
And she didn't give me my fucking barbecue. All I have is a zest. Dude, no way. I'm not even fucking hungry anymore after that. Fuck fake. Fuck that one. Alright. Maybe this will be good. Fucking burnt. Look at that. Burnt, man. Come on, dude. we welded the diff. We're back in the shop, and right now I'm gonna clean the spatter out of it. Throw some RTV, put the cover back on, and wait for it to cure. We'll probably flush it 1 or 2 times, and then should be ready to go. It's embarrassing. Alright, we're going to a new thing at RTV. So let's go to AutoZone. We'll get some diff fluid too. Oh, you demon. You semen demon. Come on. Come on, Big John. I haven't laid a beat of RTV in a minute. This might be embarrassing. Little steamed poop. Come on. Dude, my hands are gonna give out. Like this is it. This is the fucking end. This is the end of my hands. Right. There's it. There it is. Doesn't look too pretty, but should work. Is there dirt in there? What is in there?
No clue.
You bastard. I hate this fucking thing. Fuck. You might have to hold it. Alright, we're professionals here, so we are going to torque this to spec. Which is, oh, you're getting a little crazy down there, buddy. You pushed it up. You pushed it to the side a little, buddy.
Put your feet on the flange.
Alright. Oh, can you hold it there?
Yeah.
Dude, is this the first time you ever used a torque wrench? Imagine. Dude, you're not holding it right.
Press your feet down more.
This is gonna take. Can you hold the fucking diff? Okay, good enough. Fuck's sake. Oh, here. I'm letting her loose a little bit there.
It's always my fault. Whoa. You go.
It doesn't matter how you go. I just want to do it the first couple in the right order. Alright, now I'll just go all around.
You didn't do the bad one.
I'll save that for last. I don't know if that one's going to torque. It's going to not be an accurate torque because it's already seized.
No, it's not. But just hit the mark.
It's not even going to be. It's not even there. Look, it's going to hit. Oh. Oh. I don't believe that. I don't know if I believe that one. Is it seated? Either way, they're all torqued down, so hopefully she don't leak. All right, we're done. Now, so we're done with the diff, but I'm gonna do some research, do some price checks. We might just pull the subframe out, do the reinforcements and bushings and all that jazz. Might do it right the first time. Or we could maybe just pop it back in and wait until the unibody tears out. We'll see. But she's welded. That's all I'm gonna say, really. No, let's say that. Alright. we leave.